Comment tu t'appelles?
Je m'appelle Abel. Et toi?
Je m'appelle Lisa.
Lisa? Enchanté. Enchanté. What we noticed right here is that Lisa speaks pretty good French. I mean, she's French. One of the things that I've noticed when I walk around the faculty, is that even though we are studying English, nobody of us practices outside the classroom. Everybody's sitting down in chairs, talking in Spanish to their friends, even though they know how to speak English. Nobody practices. I would like to be able to, speak French like Lisa, and I try to practice every now and then. But I'm pretty sure that all of us think that we sound funny, or that we're gonna look a little bit ridiculous when we speak English, or if we practice it outside. But let me tell you that this is one of the things that is gonna help us improve our language. It's gonna help us be more fluent. It's gonna help us with pretty much everything that we are, as a teacher, are gonna have to learn. We're gonna have to use. Miss Marsha just said that us Mexicans, we have great abilities. I'm pretty sure that we can sound like Miss Marsha one day. And the only thing we need to do is practice. When she learned Spanish, I'm pretty sure she also was a little bit embarrassed of speaking Spanish, but now she's great. I want to sound like Lisa, so I'm gonna practice my French with her. I mean, I'm pretty sure she's gonna be able to practice with me every day. She speaks French, English, and also Spanish, and all she does is practice most of the time. Right now she lives in Mexico, so she has to learn how to speak Spanish. When we when we practice our English, it's gonna be, at first it's gonna be a little bit hard, but once you start getting the hang of it, once you start being more fluent, it's gonna be pretty simple. It's gonna be natural. It's gonna become natural to you guys. I'm pretty sure that you, and you, we all want to sound like Miss Marsha. A little bit more fluent, a little bit more sure of ourselves. That's why I'm inviting you to practice. Even though we're outside, we have to practice English every day, every single day. Not only to your friends and say, well, hey, how are you? And then you start speaking Spanish, but how was the cartoon last night? Or how was the novela? And you start speaking Spanish most of the time. We have to practice English most of the time. My commitment to you guys is going to be that whoever comes to me and asks me something in Spanish, I'm not going to answer until you speak to me in English, because I want to get better. And I'm pretty sure that all of us want to get better at English.